Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by creating a project for the exact domain and search engine you track. Add a clear project name, country and device, desktop or mobile, so data aligns correctly. Next, input seed keywords manually or upload a CSV. Start with 5,500 realistic terms that reflect pages and intent. Once done, set local targeting and language filters and enable tracking of SERP features. That ensures the tool captures featured snippets, maps, and knowledge panels relevant to your goals. Now configure the tracking engine. Select a scan frequency like daily or weekly depending on volatility, and pick a time window for consistent comparisons. Choose SERP depth, top 10 or top 100, and add competitor domains to watch movement against them. Map keywords to landing pages or tag them into groups to simplify analysis. Once done, set notification thresholds for rank changes and schedule exports, so you get actionable reports without repeatedly logging in. Finish by reviewing your dashboard. Inspect trend graphs, position history, and visibility score to understand movement and traffic potential. Compare splits by device and location and run competitor comparisons to spot opportunities. Export reports for stakeholders and annotate major algorithm or content updates. If results look off, troubleshoot by checking API call limits, verifying geo-targeting and language settings, and ensuring keywords are formatted correctly. If needed, rerun scans to validate suspicion and keep your baseline accurate.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.